Hello guys, I support again Truck Gudo guys. Today I'm back again with the Bartec guys. I'm gonna teach you this thing here. I'm gonna teach you how to load with the Bartec guys. So first thing first, so what you're gonna do, this truck work with the pressure guys. So you must start with the pressure thing. So let me take you where you must always start your pressure on, right? Guys, well, we start here from here. We start from here, guys. This is where you start. You pull this thing up, right? If you pull this thing up, it's gonna facilitate pressure everywhere there. Well, this thing you will use is pressure to load and offload. So you start here, you pull this thick park brake, you pull, then the pressure is distributed all over. All right. So what we're gonna do is like this thing here for the diagram. It does have a diagram here, but I'm going to try to explain the diagram and show you where it is on the track, right? So this is the pressure. When you pull out there, your pressure gauge is going to show here. When it's at 6, you can load. When it's from 8, you can load. From 6, you can load. From 4, you can still load. Below 4 to 0, you cannot be able to load, meaning you can't put something, a product in here because of this pressure here. So if this thing is working, it must show from 4 to 8 you can be able to load, right? So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. This is the process of how you load. If you pull that button there, that park brake there, you come here, the first thing first, pull load button. Where is the load button? Here on the truck. It's just here. This is the load button. You pull it, right? Then you come back again. The second step, enter load menu, all right? Where is the load menu? You come here to this machine here. This is our load menu. It's a load machine, I mean. This is the Bartec. It's already loading. So you press here. That's where your loading will be, which is here. All right. This is our loading. All right. You press there. When you press there, it's gonna write like this: maximum waiting time between empty tests and loading is exceeded. Start empty test now. You say yes, right? So you come here and say yes, right? Then from there, you connect to your loading arm. This is the loading arm. You connect it here. When you connect it here, this thing is gonna be this side. When you connect it, you put it this side, which is opening loading arm. You open it by pushing it forward. You are opening it. When you close, you take it backwards. That's opening. From there, you load your product, as I am doing now. You can see it's running here, which means I am loading my product. After loading my product, you close the arm. You close this arm here, right? You take it like this, backwards. You are closing it. After you close there, you will come here and check number 8. It says disconnect loading arm. You remove this thing here and put it where it's supposed to be and leave it like that. When you disconnect, guys, this thing, you must do what we call load mapping. If you don't do this thing, sometimes the truck will never go and you might have problem when you get to the offloading point. So what I'm gonna do is, like, when I'm done loading, I'm gonna take you the process of load mapping and show you how you do load your product, how you map your product, how you map your product. Product mapping is like you are telling this whole machine that you have loaded what type, what kind of product did you load. You are telling it. From there, when you're done product mapping, so mapping is from 9 to 11 is mapping. From there, you close the sign of the door here. It's sign of the door, that's we call it. It's a menu button. You press it. From there, you close the loading valve, which is the red valve there. Then you can go. But here is a recommendation here. Do not leave the gantry before product mapping is complete and you are returned to tow. So I'm going to take you the process of load mapping and return to tow so that we can be able to go. Tow, which means you are ready to go, or the shift has just ended. You understand?